So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for soft skill development, week 5, assignment 5. So, the first question is self concept plays a significant role in shopping, both interpersonal and interpersonal communication. So, true or false? So, let's check the explanation. So, in explanation, self concept. What we think about ourselves, our self concept has a strong effect on intrapersonal and interpersonal communication. So, the answer of our first question is A. True. And now let's go to our question number two. Is it possible to enhance emotional intelligence without understanding one's own emotions and those of others? Yes or no? So let's check the explanation. So in explanation, the whole essence is how you understand your and others' emotions and deal with that situations. So the answer of our second question is no. And now let's go to our question number three. The ability to use emotions to enhance thinking, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making is referred to as. So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, emotional facilitation of thoughts, the ability to incorporate feelings into analysis, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. So the answer for our third question is A. Emotional facilitation of thoughts. And now let's go to our question number four. Which structure of the limbic system is often described as the seat of all passions? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, a part of limbic system called the amygdala is in Goleman's word the seat of all passions. So the answer for our fourth question is C. Amygdala. And now let's go to our question number five. Human emotions significantly influence an individual's dash. So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, emotional management, the ability to take responsibility for one's own emotions that influences cognition. So the answer of our fifth question is A. Cognitive processes. And now let's go to our question number six. Attributes such as compassion, intuition, and personal outlook are best classified as components of. So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, emotional values and beliefs, compassion, outlook, intuition. So the answer of our sixth question is B. Emotional values and beliefs. And now let's go to our question number seven. An organization that continues to function without initiating any change is considered to be in a state of. So these are the options. And now let's the explanation. So in explanation, until change is initiated, organization is stable, state of equilibrium. So the answer of our seventh question is A. Equilibrium. And now let's go to our question number eight. Factors such as legal, political, economic, technological, social, and international influences are classified as. So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, external, legal, international, political, social, technological, economics, environmental, cultural factors. So the answer for our eighth question is A. External factor. And now let's go to our question number 9. In Levin's change framework, the stage where management recognizes the necessity for change is called. So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, Levin's change model. Step 1. Unfreezing, recognizing the need for change. So the answer of our ninth question is A. Unfreezing. And now let's go to our question number 10. Intrapersonal communication reflects which of the following dimensions of the self? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, intrapersonal messages reflect our physical self, emotional self, social self, self-concept, values, beliefs, and attitudes. In short, our entire personality. So the answer for our 10th question is D. All of the above. And now let's go to our question number 11. Which form of communication occurs when individuals interpret and respond to their own internal and external stimuli? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, interpersonal communication takes place whenever we evaluate and react to internal and external stimuli. So the answer for our 11th question is C. Intrapersonal communication. And now let's go to our question number 12. In the practice of Karuna, compassion, challenging stereotype matters chiefly because it. So these are the options. And the answer for our 12th question is B. And now let's go to our question number 13. Assertion. In communication, it is important to try to see a situation even from an enemy's point of view. Reason. This is because understanding the other side's perspective help move communication beyond just arguing or trying to win. So these are the options. So let's check the explanation. So in explanation, challenges stereotypes, prejudices, and become inclusive. Put yourself in another's place shoes. So the answer for our 13th question is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. And now let's go to our question number 14. Which of the following combination correctly represents the personal competencies in emotional intelligence? So these are the option. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, simply it is the use of emotions intelligently. EICs incorporate self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. So the answer for our 14th question is B, both A and B. And now let's go to our question number 15. A mediator working in a conflict zone initially feels overwhelmed by anger and sadness when listening to victims' stories. Over time. With practice, the mediator learns to understand each side's suffering clearly without being emotionally flooded and can respond in a more balanced and effective way. This change is best explained as a shift from, so these are the option, and the answer of our 15th question is C, affective empathy to cognitive empathy. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.